Yeah, so I'm Derek Sequeira. I'm at Kuehne Nagel. It's one of the leading logistics company in the world. And we are here for the environment. It's one of our major goals in the organization, part of the ESG that we have. And also it's a goal for the team, and we take it very seriously in the organization. As an organization, we are in the transport industry. One of the major issues that the world is facing is the emissions. That is creating a bit of a challenge for all of us, not only for us, but also our kids of the future. And look at the environment around you, it's pretty dry, and if we can ensure that we have some plantations around, it grows the greenery around. Kids love it, we love it, the environment is happier. And I think it leads us into a different future altogether. The advice is for people to get involved, take it more seriously. It's not only for you, but for the future of this world, the environment and our kids. It's not only the kids, but also the life that is around in terms of animals, the birds, and of course the biodiversity that is there around.